Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to set up Asana on your mobile phone. This method works the same for both Android and iPhone, so you do not have to worry what kind of phone you have. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you. So guys, anyways, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store on your phone and search Asana in the search bar. After doing that, you will be prompted up with the first result, which is the official Asana application. So go ahead and click on install for that. So guys, as you can see, it has finished installing and you want to enter the application. So go ahead and open the application. It will be prompted up by this main page where you will be able to sign up or create an account depending if you already have an account or not. So go ahead and sign in to your account. So as you can see guys, after signing in to your account, this is the main page you will be greeted by. So just go ahead and click on start using Asana. As you can see here guys, now I have been prompted up by this main screen where I can see all the same options as on PC more or less. You can do all the same stuff, you can create projects, tests and so on and so on, edit users, add your colleagues, create people, add correspondence and so on and so on. So guys, that's how you do it. That's how you get started with using Asana on your mobile phone. You can go ahead, click the free options in the upper right corner where you can search projects and some more options. Go ahead to the home page in the lower bottom corner, change to what you need, either to the inbox where you can see your messages and the tasks that you have for that week. You can go to search where you can find the projects and tasks that you need, or to your account option right here. So guys, that's how you get started with using Asana on your mobile phone. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, leave a subscribe and a like on the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.